A business letter is a formal communication tool used in professional settings. It serves specific purposes like job applications, complaints, recommendations, or expressions of gratitude. Maintaining a clear and respectful tone is crucial to effectively convey the intended message. A business letter consists of 6 main parts: the heading with your address and date, the inside address with the recipient's details, a formal greeting, the body containing the main message, a polite closing, and your signature. Each part ensures clarity and professionalism in communication. Maintain a formal style and tone in business letters. Avoid slang and limit abbreviations to uphold professionalism. Be concise by replacing wordy phrases with simpler alternatives. Ensure correct punctuation and grammar for clarity. And avoid sentence fragments to convey complete thoughts. Start your letter by clearly stating your purpose in the first paragraph. For instance, I am writing to apply for a summer volunteer position. This clarity helps the reader immediately grasp your request, setting a focused tone for the rest of the communication. Provide strong reasons to support your request by offering at least 2 compelling arguments. Enhance these points with specific details or examples. For instance, highlight relevant experience, such as working with children aged 6 to 12, and emphasize your responsibility and enthusiasm for organizing activities. Ensure your language remains polite and respectful. Avoid informal expressions and focus on relevant information. Stay on topic to maintain clarity. Use sincerely for closing as it conveys professionalism, unlike casual phrases such as "see you soon." A business letter includes key elements: the heading with your address and date, the inside address with the recipient's details, a formal greeting, a body that clearly states the purpose and provides supporting reasons, a polite closing like "sincerely" and your signature. These components ensure clarity and professionalism. When writing a letter to apply for a summer volunteer position, address the camp manager directly. Clearly state your purpose and request the position. Ensure all letter parts are included, maintaining a formal style. Provide relevant details concisely, keeping the letter to 1 page and avoiding sentence fragments. Utilize a clean, modern layout with blue, white, and gray colors. Opt for large, readable fonts and organize information using bullet points. Incorporate icons for each letter part to enhance understanding. Highlight example sentences in boxes to ensure clarity and engagement.